Okay, so this video is for those that are interested in making some mailbox money. So I'm just going to go over this is like a sample letter part two after I've sent a letter. This is like the second letter in my program. I offer different templates for you to utilize for those, especially my newer students that don't like to make calls. I send this, I let them use this as an alternative because a lot of times, sometimes people are just afraid to make the calls, even though I feel like calls get you a quicker and faster result. Sometimes, sending a personal letter or a handwritten letter, or what I should call like a templated letter with this form is one of the forms. I'm just kind of like giving you guys an idea. It just basically says what our duties are, what your confidentiality is, what considerations you may have, and that they would exclusively utilize us. And then I always kind of like put an account number, ID number. Pretty much, I kind of use all the information that I would utilize that would be on the actual overage list. So I just wanted to kind of like go over this. This isn't the actual letter because I didn't want to just give all the information away. But this is kind of like the form that they fill out, and this is another simple way as opposed to calling. You can, what I call mailbox money. I do send these out for my smaller clients. As you can see, this is 2,700. I'm not making phone calls. What I think a snamp's like 49 cents. If someone fills this out and sends it back to me, that's a great return on your investment, right? So I basically tell my students, if you aren't willing to make the calls and you just want to send out a whole bunch of letters in hopes to get maybe one, this is an alternative to making calls. A lot of people, especially my older claimants, they don't have emails. They do not know how to fax. So this is another alternative to send them in something in writing. However, this does take, a little bit of time because then you have to wait. I call it snail mail. I think I've had like one claim and it took him forever and a year to send it back. But this is just kind of like the second form. I do have like a standard letter that I send. And in the letter, this is like the agreement that I have them sign, acknowledging that they will allow me to collect the claims for them. So I just wanted to give you a little synopsis or a snapshot of an alternative that you can utilize if you wanted to send out letters to claimants. And this is my company, Surplus Recovery. You can check it out, surplusrecovery.com. And I pretty much use that as my interface of when people are calling and they ask me for a website, or case in point, when I send this letter, they can go on the website and get an idea of how we help them as individuals. I hope this helps. For those that don't like to make calls, if this video was helpful, please like, please subscribe, and drop some questions or comment below in the video. I would appreciate all your feedback. Thank you and have a great day.